Excuse me.
Got it?
Yes, I did.
Oh, man.
Here, me and your child farted.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, that's crazy. Why should it like that?
It's a good video camera right here, partner. Oh, you heard that? Oh, you like that, huh? What happened? Yeah, what happened? I'm curious. So now that I have a camera, why the fuck? See, the white girl look like she got her hair done, but the black girl, I don't know what she doing there with a ponytail. Okay, and she look like she got her hair done. But what happened to her? I ain't gonna be looking like that when I get my damn hair dryer on.